Hi, my name is Edmund Schneider, and I'm here today to talk about Dr. Zhu and her staff at Hunterdon Family Dental Care in Lebanon, New Jersey. I'm not an actor, I'm a patient and a satisfied customer, and I'm here today to tell you why. I was new to Lebanon in 2011, having moved from Pennsylvania. That year, on a Tuesday morning, November 8th, I went off to work as usual. At around 10 o'clock that morning, I broke a piece off my front tooth. It wasn't pretty, and as a career customer-facing marketing professional, and with a little vanity thrown in for good measure, I was horrified at my appearance. So I immediately went online in search of a dentist in Hunterdon County. There were quite a few, and about a half dozen within striking distance of my new residence. But one stood out. The practice described in the website seemed genuine, inviting, friendly, modern, and professional. And the comments from existing patients were just over the top. So I called it. It was Dr. Zhu's office. A message informed me that the office was closed on Tuesdays, but if I left my phone number and a message, my call would be returned in approximately 30 minutes. I did so and went back to work. About 20 minutes later, my phone rang. To my amazement, it was Dr. Zhu herself. She was calling from the university where, as a professor, she taught on Tuesdays. I explained my situation and she asked if I could meet her later that afternoon at her office. I readily agreed. You can't imagine how stunned I was when Dr. Zhu agreed to see me, open her office just for me, and then proceed to fix my tooth better than ever. Me, a total stranger, not an existing patient. What amazing customer service. I was overwhelmed. And I've had plenty of experience to evaluate and appreciate Dr. Zhu's responsiveness. I played hockey for about 25 years, mostly as a defenseman, and was no stranger to the dentist's chair or the hospital oral surgery suite. The day after my visit, and for weeks thereafter, I was on a crusade to tell everyone I saw or spoke to about this incredibly unusual and positive experience. And here I am today, just a little over 2 years since I first met Dr. Zhu and subsequently her staff at Hunterdon Family Dental Care, never wavering in my estimation or admiration. In fact, in this time, I have gained an even greater appreciation for the quality of care that Dr. Zhu and her team deliver. Every visit, every patient, every day, and always with a smile. But I have to say, when all is said and done, it all starts with Dr. Zhu. She's an incredibly knowledgeable and talented dentist, and she sets the standards of behavior for herself and her staff. She's a perfectionist, and she worries all the details. But it's because she really cares. To me, Dr. Zhu is the Da Vinci of dentistry, a true Renaissance persona, an oral architect in her heart, but a virtuoso artist in her soul. I overheard her colleague ask Dr. Zhu one day what she would do when she retired, and she replied, "I don't ever want to retire. I love this work, and I will do it as long as my hands let me do it." And that's good news for the men, women, and children seeking the best dental care in Hunterdon County.